This is my science project. The aliens are trying to take over the world. This is my alien in its little spacecraft. So you see the alien now, and it's right in our little trap. Now how our trap is going to work, this yellow ball that I'm going to push is going to go down the ramp of the pillows onto the frisbee, held up by the magazine, bounce off this pillow, onto the floor, bounce off the floor, and swing the drum suspended by this sit-up trainer thing. And then the drum will swing, knock the coasters down. The coasters will act like dominoes as they fall and hit the cup down, capturing the alien. Once again, yellow ball, go down the ramp of pillows, down the frisbee ramp, with the magazine holding it up, bounce off the pillow, bounce off the floor, swing the drum into the coasters. The coasters will fall into each other and capture the alien. Here we go. Did it! Caught the aliens.